Life, I'm a lot like you. I need someone to love me the whole day through. Oh, man. Good push here. Good push. Non-farm payrolls. God bless. This is America. Don't get you sipping on. Going for it. Going for it, boys. Ye doggy. Jesus Christ. Big rippy. Chat. Everyone's doing well. S&P hitting. I mean, you already hit that level. You already at that level in the ES. ES is already at 5670. So, yeah. He sees the future. Welcome. Yeah, NASDAQ getting a lot of love off non-farm payrolls. Let's refresh real quick. Yeah. Unemployment rate, pretty solid. 4.2 hasn't moved. Pretty decent. NQ slowly. I mean, it's moving. That's what you want to see right now. I think you have to anticipate highs from yesterday. Right here. Can we get a push to highs of yesterday? Can we get much higher? So high. Let's look at some stocks too. What are we looking at on stocks? Apple 206. I mean, pretty terrible, but yeah. Amazon trying to open up flat. I mean, not bad. Amazon said, "Look, boys, it's not about how you report. It's about how you open after you report." Think about that. There you go, Amazon. Little dog in it. Little dog. Little D-O-double-G. All right. It's not bad. Talk to me nice. Boom. What else? It's meta bouncing back 584. I kind of like that. 1 second. Go live. Sorry, I like open up the live stream on YouTube. It like messes. Like it's just weird not being able to see it. Okay. Do the Apple chart. I mean, Apple, you're gapping down. I really have nothing to look at here. I mean, same levels as before. 206.4.5, 206.3. Next level is 203. We'll see. I mean, yeah, it's all about how buyers respond off of open. We will see. Are we hitting? Yeah, you already hit. So that education video on your second channel was fire. Step-by-step plan creation. I'm telling you, like I try to make more stuff. I mean, that's kind of how I'm gonna structure the education now. Well, I mean, I'm still gonna go over charts, but like I'm gonna use that structure though on the back end. It's kind of like an extended version of how I use the whiteboard here for a while on the channel. So I mean, there's never any questions of like, hey, I don't understand this or that. I'm like, well, now you do. You can't say you misunderstand anything because it's all there for you. You know what I mean? So, and if you still don't get it, then you just rewatch it again. I don't know. I will say though, in the overnight session, man, dude, this 19977 level was a brick wall last night. You sat there from like 7:30 until just now. You could not mount that level. Signed up yesterday, it was automatically said my account was suspended. What do I do now? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. If you have a question for Discord or anything, I recommend emailing support. team@optiondrops.com. Put it in chat. Email support. I have a state-of-the-art team based out of Nepal, India. Okay, they're locking it down. They're you can't even see them. They're in the background. They're state-of-the-art. We pay them top dollar. We pay them the most rupees that exist. Okay, think about that. Email support; they'll get right to you. Appreciate you. You also are seeing ES and Dow outperform Nasdaq as of this morning as well. They're already respectively at yesterday's highs. Nasdaq is not. So yeah, Camille, you think I'm kidding? State of the art. I I have conference calls with them every day. We talk nonstop every day. They say, Tyler, you're overworking us. I say that Christmas bonus isn't gonna give itself to you, right? Meta, I also like Meta. If Meta would have broke. I would kind of wish like if data would have went bad and we didn't announce any China shit, Meta would have been a fire play down to the gap fill. It's not gonna happen now. Now you're looking for Meta to go into 586 and 592. Love that. AVGO on a tear. Nvidia. I mean, Nvidia back at the 50 SMA. We talked about this in Discord yesterday. I mean, you had like you had one breakout here that's nice, but like for a better part of the day until the end of the day, right? You sat at the 50 SMA. I'm like, Jesus Christ, what's going on? I kind of like where you're opening up right now. You could stay above 113, really 112.4. You're bullish. Room's like 115.5. I think Nvidia looks good. Nvidia looks good. The rest of the market should look good too. Microsoft's still doing its thing. Thing is thinging. Tesla, gotta be careful. Tesla, I think you're just targeting 200 SMA again. Big question is, do you get continuation? Do you see the buyers continue to step in there on Tesla? Hard to say. You are making lower highs here. That's clear as day, right? Clear as day. Boom, 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 boom. Clear lower highs, not ideal, but that's where you're at. That is where you are at. Amazon still, dude. Amazon, what a bounce, what a comeback story. Shout out to Kim Kardashian. Scaling into Apple starter position as it drops under 207 this morning. I think Apple long term is a great name. One second, I need to actually message my sister real quick. Cool. Sorry. What else am I looking at? Netflix, another beast. Netflix going for all-time highs again. I don't honestly, honest to God, I mean, you're at all-time highs already, so like, it's like, where the hell are you going here? Like, what do you want from me? Things a monster. Probably running towards 1150. Things just doesn't stop. Reddit had decent earnings, I think. Getting over the 50 SMA, kind of just sat there all day yesterday. Morning, brother. How relevant do you think volume is during pre-market? Pre-market volume is pretty non-existent. It's just like yeah. I don't think it's that important. So yeah. I don't think it's that big. Hymns bouncing back up, unless you get like a crazy amount of it. Robinhood doing nothing. Yeah, this is why I stick with the big boys. Trying to get back above 98 here on AMD. That's something. You have AMD has earnings next week, I think. Google. I think Jay had a level here like at 162, give or take. I mean, get above 164, I think you're cooking. I mean, you have room, but I mean, room is to maybe like into like 170 to 171. I'd be careful. It's just been a slow mover. People always ask me about Google, and they come back the next day. I'm like, Google doesn't move that well. I'm like, well, I never said it moves well. Google is breakout. Google is Google. So yeah, Palantir. I'd be watching Palantir too. Funny enough, like you're somehow right back in your all-time highs. I'd be watching that. Netflix, I already talked about it. You're breaking out right now, probably looking for like 1150, give or take. That's what I'd be looking at on Netflix. So yeah, wouldn't really be overcomplicating it, but Netflix has been a strong name. Continues to hold, continues to break out, make higher highs, higher lows, everything you want to see. It's the strongest name out there in the market. Definitely can't look to go short on it yet. No worries, Tasha. No worries, Tasha. Yeah, you're going for it again here in NQ. I mean, NQ, honestly, kind of a tough chart here on the 4-hour pullback. Man, It's a nice looking chart. I can't no capping, no cap. You look really good here on NQ. Costco strong, is it? Have my same levels out there. Oh look, but it's funny. Like it's funny when you don't even charge something and it just follows your levels perfectly. Isn't that beautiful? Like, just kiss. Right, set above 962. You're looking for a push into 1000, 1010. Our gray box. Boom, 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 boom. That's where you're at. Special levels, special traders. You're welcome. Higher lows into the level. They said, Tyler, how do you do it? I say, you know what, guys? I'm human. I put my underwear on one leg at a time, just like you. You have a gap fill right here, too, at 10:22. Be watching that. Good morning, sir. Johan, good morning. Good morning, sir. ¿Cómo estás? También. Yeah. Really watching NQ. NQ just got that dog in it this morning. Google plays minimal return even when it looks like it's gray on the chart. Yeah, it's just, yeah. Yeah. Wham. Bitch on the baby. Short Palantir. Go short, buddy. Let me know how it goes. Am I interested? He said, let's go short on stock going to all-time highs. I am going short. Okay. Meta looks pretty solid. You're at your 50 SMA right now. You're right above it, actually. Yeah, as long as you hold that 585.5 to 586.5. I'm looking for 592. Yesterday's highs, I think. Yeah, yesterday's highs and then 600. Give or take 600. I think Netflix is strong. I mean, Meta is strong. Bro, NQ just has that dog in it this morning. Oh, my God. Look at it go. Look at it dance. ES, room to 5690 here. It's a big level here, in my opinion, on ES. Be watching right there. Be watching ES. Yeah, dude. Just barking this morning. Oh, my God. Talk to me nice. I don't think I missed anything. I don't think I missed any questions. If I missed a question, you can just repeat it. Yeah, so far, pretty solid. Let me tell you, it was not looking good. End of the day yesterday, after earnings an hour, was not looking good. Trump had to release the big news. He said, boys, release the Kraken. Release it. They said, what are you talking about, Trump? We're doing a China trade deal. Hurry. They said, okay. We got you. You think we should announce a trade deal first? No. Just say it. Watch what happens. Yeah, I mean, Nvidia's cruising. Nvidia looks like it's going to have a day. Nvidia looks like it wants to get that push into 115 today. It was a little depressing how you moved, but... Yeah. Oracle, I do not trade Oracle. I'll tell you that right now, but look at it. I mean, it looks fine. Pushing back up. I don't love it. I'll tell you that right now, but I'll tell you that right now. Okay, right there. I mean, 152 is my next big level. Yeah, it's your big level. Stay above like 147.5, really good into 152, 152.5. That's what I look for. Doesn't look bad, especially if you can break these highs. I'll ask you about your favorite stock, AMD. It's trash. It has earnings next week. Could be interesting. But if it gets above 98, it's actually a pretty big level. So 98, 100, like, you can start seeing a bounce. Yeah, so AVGO has really been like the best semiconductor though. Kind of crazy. It's that's what I've been telling people too. I'm like, dude, I'm telling you, the big three right now, the big three stocks, you got Apple, Nvidia, and then boom, it's AVGO, dude. I'm telling you right now, when those move in the same direction, when you get movement on those names, it just carries the Nasdaq. I'm telling you, and AVGO has been that guy. Like, AVGO has been like it's been one of the best. I mean, look how easily you broke above the 200 SMA here. Crazy to me. That's just a crazy. The retest you had here the other day too. I missed that trade, but I watched it happen. That's the worst part. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, I know Amazon's getting love, dude. Amazon is bouncing. As long as Amazon stays above 188, 188.5, I think you're not like it's good. This is what I was saying though too on Amazon. Like you don't have to trade earnings. Like if Amazon like its earnings weren't even that great, but like if you're gonna get a good if you're gonna get good action from Amazon's earnings, like after, like just trade it after. Like you don't even need to get the measured move. Just trade it the day after. Like you have room in like 193, 195 now. I mean even the 200 SMA 199, right? Also too guys, I always forget I need to change this on the bot. But yeah, it's top one futures, by the way. When you use our code, you get 55% off right now. It's an additional 5%. That's only when you use our code. So you can't use like the website code or anything like that. They only give 50% off. So right now it's 55% when you use the code. I don't know how long it's going to last. So don't ask me. Please don't ask me. You guys always be asking me this random crap. Me getting ready to short that 200 on Tesla again for the 20th time. Today might be a tough day to go short on it, but we'll see. I mean, I think it's definitely I wouldn't be going long through it. You have a big level at 294 too. Me and Jay were talking about. How about Costco? It went right into our level, right into the level I've been mentioning here, 110.10 basically. It's gonna be tough to get out of this. I mean, I'd be looking for a break and retest of this level, then pushing into like 1063, maybe even the gap for like 1023. Less upside here now, but held our level 962, went into right into our level. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you, Ricky. Salute. Ricky said, I'm going to tell you something, Tyler, that you didn't even know. Thank you so much. Love you long time, pretty Ricky. No diddy. Dude, my neck. Oh, dude, my neck has been killing me overnight. I finally have got to get back in like to a decent routine of working out. Like, consistently doing it. And like, dude, my back has felt so much better since doing it. Oh my God. Like, I was having bad back pain. You guys do not understand. The amount of back pain that I was having was, it was terrible. It was terrible. It was truly awful. And I know the more I work out, the better my back will feel. If this holds, I'm way up. Do you think I should take profit? You gotta do what you gotta do, man. I can't tell you what to do in your position. I wish you the best of luck. I'm just following the key levels, man. Dude, NASDAQ is still looking good. Oh my God. Do it for him. Yeah, you're looking for yesterday's highs here. 20,125. My God. Strictly leg day. Honestly, so I have to buy so I bought this, here, Rogue, so just a heads up. So, I think this is the one I bought. It's similar to this one. Okay. So, I bought this, like, a few months ago. And so I had to wait till I epoxied my garage floor. I did a bunch of shit in my garage, right? So just so it looked nicer. Anyways, and so I went like this is like probably 2-3 weeks ago. I was like, okay, I'm gonna put this up. It took me forever. I procrastinated. I've been working out, but I've just been procrastinating. So I need to put this up. And I kind of wasn't really worried about because I wasn't gonna start squatting immediately. I was gonna like get into working out and then like slowly start squatting because I didn't want to like injure myself, which would be terrible, right? Anyways, so big part here, if you're ordering anything from Rogue, just to let you know, is this back part right here. This is not included, this back stringer thing. It's called a stringer, which, again, why would they call it a stringer? I don't know. I did not know that, okay? Very important to understand that. So I did not add the stringer. So that's fine. You don't need it technically, but my wall in my garage isn't built for like, it doesn't have like a giant, like these are giant bolts. The bolts are like probably 4-inch bolts. Like they're huge, right? So like if I don't have a stud that far away, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. So I need to get the string. Anyways, just let you know, if you ever buy anything from Rogue, make sure you fucking check everything. Not to go wait for that shit to come in. That shit took forever to come in too. That's the worst part. Yeah, you're getting a push. You're going to yesterday's highs. ¿Cómo estás? Arriba. Man, I bet my Latino and Latina followers really love my cultural appropriation. You're welcome. Thank me later. Thank me later. What can I say? Some say I'm a man of the people. I say I'm just a man. Dude, this Mac shit sometimes, let me tell you, it be pissing me off. I bought one full Rex because you can add weight stack to it. I don't know what you mean. You can send a picture in Discord. Hey, well, I wanted one of the full bag. I mean, I don't really know why I needed that, to be honest. I just bought it. It was like, I'm an impulsive buyer. I get an idea and I just buy. It looked nice too, but either way, kind of pissed now. But yeah, so it was really frustrating. I took everything out. I had it all ready to build, and I looked at it. I was like, wait, this isn't gonna work. I was like, I knew like how wide it was. Like the studs. There's no way the studs are gonna be this. There's no way. There's no way the studs are gonna be that far from each other. Really interested to see what Tesla premiums look like at open. Why? I mean, you're up $5. I mean, if you went long, I guess you made some money, but unless you got weeklies, you made probably a decent little bit, but nothing crazy. I'd be careful at open on Tesla. I mean, Tesla, you're still below 200 SMA. That's the problem. Like, it's not the best. It's not the best, but interesting. It's an interesting spot. All right, it's already 8 o'clock. Let me make the rundown for Discord. Dun 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 dun. God, Nasdaq. 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 Right there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know how far studs are. Yeah. That's what I was saying. I looked at it. I was like, no way. There's no way. I think like on this, how wide is it? Does it give you the dimensions? Doesn't give you the dimensions on here. That's the depth in the wall. Yeah, 47. Yeah, fucking random. Random width. Random as hell. Shit was random. Yeah, I know. I looked at it, I was like, ah, oh, damn it. I instantly knew. Um, oh my god. The slots in the plate. That's what I'm saying. But, buddy, I know. That's what I'm saying. The stringer. You're missing the whole point. The stringer, the back part. That's what I'm saying. So, you're telling me what I already knew. That's why I said I didn't have it. That's how my wife feels when I mansplain her things, I think. Palantir, how high will Palantir go after earnings? He said, Tyler, tell me the future. He said, let me rub your balls, and then you're supposed to, I rub your little balls, and then you tell me my future. Ooh wee. He says, if I use baby oil, will I get better results? Thank you. The Amma says, there's news today, right? Not gonna lie, Amma, I have no idea what the hell that even means. No BAP. It's not a big level. It was just a previous high from the two. Look at you. You're just churning and burning. Video moving. Thank you. Where's it at? It is moving, actually. Thank you. One second. I gotta post ES. You're getting me sidetracked. Should post the ES levels. Ty, I presume you got the Rogue Ohio bar. Actually, no. I have like a different Olympic bar that I've had for a while. I do want to buy one of those small bars. For like oh my gosh. It's like a short bar. I can't think of the name. Diameter. It's not, is it a 25 pop bar? I don't know. No, it'd be like a curl bar. No. I don't know. It's it's like a shorter bar. Is this it? You can't really tell unless you like. I can only tell if it's like standing up. I don't think this is it though. Actually, it is. It's you can tell by the ends of it. They're smaller. Yeah, I think. But yeah, it's just easier for like quick cycling. It's not as big. Everything up. Trump taking credit for everything. God bless. Special guy. Special president. Special results. Special elections. Trump 2028. 2028. How crazy would that be if he runs 2028? Sell the rip or Trump will release the Krakens over the weekend. I mean, it's really like what could bring you down. I think people think like, I think you're thinking of things the wrong way. I mean, I still think until you're above the 200 SMA, like on NASDAQ, I don't really think that like you can be like going like 2 months out on like contracts and feeling good over the weekend. I think it's tough, personally. But I think if you have like leaps, like I think those are fine. Like I've been saying that for a while. Like I'll keep saying leaps, dude. Like go over to Nvidia, like whatever. Like you guys do whatever you want to do. But like, I mean, if you're going leaps too, you want to go with companies that you like believe in. Like in 2 years, no matter what, they're gonna be up. Like they're gonna bounce back. They're gonna have good earnings. They're gonna release some good news. So like you got to bet on companies you really like believe in. So. Anyways, Nvidia is one that I've been saying. The $100. I said $100. You can go on cheaper, but the $100 are the ones that I've been talking about extensively. View detailed quotes. Go to the daily. Yeah, the daily chart here on this position. They got down to $26 and went back up to they're at 36 right now. Again, you'd already be up almost, what is that? 30%? A little, no. Shit, no, it's more. It's like close to 40% already. At open, you're going to be up even more. So, like, I mean, you're already back almost into $40 a contract on these. Like, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. So, do what you want to do what you got to do, whatever. I don't know. So, either way, like it a lot. Looks great. Nvidia, awesome. But the leaps are where it's at. 100%. The leaps are where it's at. I mean, you could have gone in other names as well. I think AVGO is a good name. AVGO is probably outperforming Nvidia. So, if you went to AVGO and you went for 2027. And again, I think 2027 is the only move you could have done. Couldn't do anything else. AVG, I probably would have gone out of the money. I'll be totally honest, but let's say even in the money, like at 180, give or take. Review detail quotes. I mean, these were at $34. They're already doubled up. They're literally about to double up. They're at 34. This is only your second low you made. So you didn't even buy them at 20. If you buy them at 24 at low lows, you whatever, right? They're just already back into 60. Like, what are we talking about? Nothing has changed yet, but market pushes higher. Steven, something has. No, fault. Fake news. Okay, well, we got to break down the Welcome back to Fake News. Tyler Wilson, we're going to explore why this is not true. Stephen Ford says, nothing has changed yet in the market, but it pushes higher. Well, what? Let's talk about this. Let's break this down, Timmy. Well, number one, we've been getting more data around inflation, and inflation really hasn't been rising. Yay, that's overall good. We have seen some concerning jobs reports, but we knew that would happen. But surprisingly enough, you're not seeing inflation rise from tariffs. That's number one. Data. Data has been the driving force on basically everything for the past 4 years. Spoiler alert. Who would have thought? Fake artificial pump mark with stupid people FOMO buying. Stephen Ford, I'm not gonna lie, man. I want to go stare at the sun, Chief. Again, you take a step back even further and you look at earnings, which who would have thought? Earnings, very important thing, right? Who would have thought? Yeah, they said, Tyler, do you think earnings are important? Probably. Probably. Why? Because that's the foundation of the economy, how companies do. And it turns out Microsoft smashed, Meta smashed, Google did well last week. Everyone's basically doing well. Apple and Amazon still did well. They just didn't have like this crazy outlook. And the reason why these did well is because they're still dumping money back into the market. And they all announced big buybacks as well. So only company I think that's really a concern is Apple. That's the only one. That's it. Everything else looked really, even Amazon didn't look that bad. It was more Apple that looked concerning yesterday. It still looks kind of concerning today. But then even a step further from that, I mean, yeah, now you're getting a softer approach from tariffs as well. And you say nothing has changed regarding tariffs. Well, we've kind of knocked tariffs down pretty dramatically from where they were at highs. So all in all, a little bit has changed, right? Now, when we get trade deals, I think once we see trade deals get established, that's more action taking place. We get Fed cuts. But when you're looking at data and the overall impacts tariffs are having on the market, it's not as bad as you would have thought. That's the problem, right? So I can say, like, it's like me saying this hurricane coming in the Gulf is really bad. It's a really bad hurricane, guys. It's really bad. It's really bad. But if the hurricane hits land and it's not that bad, like was I overreacting? Maybe I was overreacting. But could the hurricane sit on top of Houston for 3 days like it did in Harvey and flood us? Potentially, so it could get worse. But as of right now, it's not that bad. You're welcome. Thank me later, Steve. Thank you later. All I see is gamblers itching to throw money at the market. All I see is you complaining. That's all I see. All I'm saying. Don't shoot the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger. Do not shoot the messenger. I'm just a guy out here, okay? Don't shoot the messenger. He said, I know better. I was on YouTube breaking down the strategies. I did my research on global politics. I know where we're going, boys. I know. I'm going to time the top. I'm going to time the bottom. I know Tyler says in every video, just if I'm day trading, let me just react. Let me just react to the market. No. I'm not going to react. I'm going to time it all. Right? Good job. Let me know how it goes. Dilly. Shout out to copium. It's a hell of a drug. They're losing it, boys. They're losing it. Yeah, you're breaking yesterday's highs here. Yeah, you're looking for 20,000 too. Oh man, take a look at my life. I'm a lot like you. Do. I need someone to love me the whole day through. Hey, Rick James. Amen, brother. I'm not gonna lie. I did not want to wake up this morning. Only reason I'm here is because Truth had school. Not gonna lie to you. Do that breakout volume you just had too. Over highs from yesterday. It's a good look. Look at that. Special volume, special trades. You break highs from yesterday, increased volume. Everyone wants to be bearish, but technicals say we are pumping. I mean, fundamentals so far say we're kind of pumping too. I'm just saying, like, if you're day trading in the market, hear me out. If you're day trading in the market, maybe you should just wake up and react to what you're getting. Ever thought? I mean, crazy plan. If you're trying to guess and predict what's going to happen, maybe you should be an investor. Think about it. But also, too, I will tell you from an investor standpoint, statistically speaking, the market spends a lot more time going up than it does going down. So, what can I say? The guy's name is Rick James. Got Bubby's name is Rick James. He said, "I'm just here so I don't get fined." Ooh wee. Yeah, 5,700 here. ES, dude, you're getting a good open. You're getting a really good open. You are getting a great open. Potential amount of 20,125. You get a mount to that level, you're cooking. NVIDIA 14.2. Where's your high from yesterday? Still have a ways to go. But you're looking for like 115, 115.5 there. Another big level. I don't even know where the hell AVGO is going. This shit's fucking space bound. Dear God. Yeah, about right here. You can see a little swing low to swing high here. Is that a gap? Is that a gap? No, it's not a gap. Pretty illiquid up here, though, too. Jesus Christ. Yeah, you're getting good movement here on NQ. She's tap dancing. She is tap dancing, boys. She said, "Hey, do you want me to spin on it?" I said, "Oh, whoa. Do I? I don't play until around 10:30. 11 a.m. Market has been crazy at 9:40. Has been wild." What's the SPY target? I would go watch yesterday's YouTube video. Go watch the video. I'll give you a hint, though. It rhymes with Blue 100 MA. So you can do some deductive reasoning there, buddy. Do you think I should buy hymns? You should buy whatever you want to buy, man. Go crazy, twin. Go crazy. He said, "Tyler, should I buy? Tyler just went over and broke down what he thinks are the best options to buy for long term and making money. Tyler, should I buy this? I know you didn't mention it, but should I buy it? Do what you gotta do, Chief." They said, "Tyler, I really care about your opinion, but how about I ignore it and I do something completely different?" I said, okay, riddle me. Let's see what it is. Break it down for me. What else you got? Did I miss any? I don't think I missed anything. You can't take what you get, what you want. Okay, I'm almost done, boys. I'm about to hop off. It's already 8:15. I gotta do my morning ritual. If you know, you know. Post coffee. QQQ. They said, "Tyler, those YouTube videos you post every day with QQQ levels, that shit's confusing. Shit is confusing. It rhymes with the blue 100 MA. It rhymes with it. It rhymes. When do you think we'll start seeing tariff affect companies?" That is $1 million question. Well, really has to get settled on tariffs too. That's another big part of all this. Like, it's a big question here, right? It's a big question. It's like, when do we actually settle on what we're gonna leave tariffs at? I gotta put Steven. I gotta put Steven in timeout. He's scaring him. Put user in timeout. We're gonna put you in a. I'll just see you tomorrow. 30-minute timeout. See you tomorrow, Steven Ford. Sorry, guys. Put that boy in Arkham Asylum. He's hollering. No. They said, who's that guy just hollering in the corner? That's Steven Ford. He just be hollering. We don't really know why. He just be yelling. He's like, I got all day to watch you bulls cry. He's gonna be one of those people where you dip down to like 20,040 and be like, I told you. I'm like, you're still above, like you're still up on the day. I told you. I'm like, okay, super. I said, what position you got? He said, I got shit. What are you short on? I ain't got shit. I'm short on my bank account. That's the best thing too. People are like, yeah, I told you. I'm like, what position do you have? I ain't got shit. Fuck. I ain't got fuck. I was gonna trade it, but what happened? What happened? You wouldn't believe it. My internet lightning struck the pole. It was a whole thing. I'm like, all right, Chief, you crazy. You crazy for that one. All right, guys, that's it for me. I appreciate you. Hasta luego. Video coming out later. Discord link, all that mumbo jumbo's down below. Hasta luego. Oh, go, you can.